Hey y'all, today I'm going to show you how to work the herringbone double crochet stitch. It's just a slight variation of the double crochet stitch. So to work a herringbone double crochet stitch, you're just going to yarn over, insert your hook into the next stitch, yarn over, pull back through, and you're going to slip right into that loop there. Then you're going to yarn over and pull through the first loop on your hook. Then yarn over and pull through both loops on your hook. Let me show you how to do that again. Yarn over, go into your next stitch, yarn over, pull back through, and then slip right into that first loop right there. You have 2 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through the first loop, 2 loops on your hook, yarn over and pull through both loops. And that is a herringbone double crochet stitch. It's just a slight variation of the regular double crochet stitch. It just gives a slight texture to it, and it also slants it a little bit to the left. So let me show y'all that a few more times. Yarn over, go into your next stitch, yarn over, pull back through, and slip right into that loop there. Yarn over, pull through the first loop, yarn over and pull through both loops. Let's work another one. Yarn over, go into the stitch, yarn over, pull back through, and slip into that loop right there. For me, it's easier to go ahead and do all that as one step instead of stopping and then slipping. As I'm coming through that stitch, I go ahead and slip into that loop. Okay, let's work one more. Yarn over, go into the next stitch, yarn over, pull back through, and slip into that. Yarn over, pull through the first loop, yarn over and pull through both loops. Let's work a few more to finish this row. It takes a minute when you're doing this to remember to slip into that loop. But once you get the hang of it, it's really simple. Okay, 2 more. Last one. Now you can see a whole row right there of herringbone double crochet stitches. I hope this was helpful for you. If you have any questions, just leave them in the comments below and I will get back to you. Thank you for watching.